What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is a brow tutorial, my brow tutorial, my technique, how I do my brows. Y'all like my hair? If you like my hair, make sure you click the link in the description box to see how I got this color. You know what I'm saying? All right, without further ado, we'll go ahead and jump into the video. My products are very simple. They'll be listed in the description box below. I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. This is in the color medium brown. Y'all see that? Okay, it won't focus, but it's in the color medium brown. This is what it looks like. I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Got to that I use. I use medium beige, which is number 978, and then creamy beige, which is 973. So GC973 and GC978. You can find these at your local beauty supply store. Let me see, you can find them at Walmart now, I think. But I got these from my local beauty supply store, and I think they were like maybe $3 a piece, if that. You can also order them on Amazon. I'll be using this double-sided spoolie. Sorry, y'all, it's dirty. This is by Morphe. This one came in there. It's like a $20 eye brush kit. They had like this little spoolie in there and a couple of other shadow definers. So I'll be using this for sure. I will also be using my flat brush, also from Morphe, that came in the kit. The name of the brush set escapes me right now, but I will find the name and I'll put it in the description box below. That kit pretty much has this brush, the brush I just showed you, and it's a $20 kit, but it has everything you need for your eyebrows and your eyeshadow. And then to blend my eyebrows out, I'm going to be using two separate brushes. I'm going to be using this Deluxe crease brush by Real Techniques. As y'all can see, I use this for my powder. Sometimes I use to blend up my concealer. And I'll be using the Morphe M173 brush. Taking the very tip of the spoolie, and I know that's crazy, but I'm really like digging into the front of that brow to blend it out as much as I can. So I see a lot of people with their brow tutorials trying to do everything perfect. No, this is what their brows are probably looking like, to be honest, before they add the concealer on. And the concealer, you see that little hump that's up right there? The concealer is going to take that away. You see how this is uneven right here? You're going to line this up and make it perfect with the concealer. As long as you lay your foundation good, your concealer is going to come and be your hero. I'm not saying completely mess up your brows, but I'm saying just like, don't like overthink it. Don't overthink. Get your dip brow, start like I did. Do the outer corner first, fill in the end, and then start spoolieing that front out. And I'm telling you, you're gonna get it right when you put that concealer on. Okay, so now to the concealer. I'm gonna take my creamy beige for the bottom, and I'm gonna use my medium beige on the top, just because I want my bottom of my eyebrow to pop the most. And y'all see how okay, my brow starts right here. Y'all see how I extended that concealer out? Why did I extend that concealer out? Because once I blend it, it's going to give me that ombre effect that everybody's been rocking. So then go in with your medium beige or your one that's closer to your foundation shade, and that's what you're going to use to line the top up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative for you guys. If there's any improvement that y'all guys can suggest for me, again, I'm very humble. I don't say I'm a pro at anything, because even though I'm licensed in certain things, you still can grow and learn different things. But anyway, leave a comment below if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Join the gang. I'm trying to push these videos out for y'all. But it's your girl, Corsha Lishell, checking in, checking out.